was able to get this 151 subscribers within a space of 7 days. It's even less because I didn't post consistently on this channel. If not, I would have gone past this. But I grew this within 7 days. And you can also see the views, 77.5k just within 7 days, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your first 50 subscribers so that you can get on and start making live videos. Without much saying, let's get straight into it. If you try this method I'm going to be showing you, within 2 to 3 days, you already have your 50 subscribers. And also, with just verification of your YouTube channel, you're ready to go with your live video. The sweetest part of this is that when you start making live video, it helps people to start noticing you more. Without much saying, let's get straight into it. Let me show you. This is what I actually did when I was starting out on YouTube. First thing first, you have to know exactly what you want your channel to be about. This will make the work much easier for you. So after you know what is exactly what you want your channel to be about, then you go to your Instagram. Just click on this search button. You see all the videos you're seeing here. They are viral videos. So just pick one of them that you know is very, very eye-catching. Now let's say we go for this one. So I don't want this to play because I don't want problem on my channel. Now, when you come here, click on this button here and then copy the link. You either have this app here, all video downloads, or you have Instagram downloader or any app downloader that can actually help you to download video from Instagram. Now, I like this one because it helps me to download every type of video from every source. It can be Facebook, Instagram, Google, it can be anywhere. You just download it. After you have downloaded, let's download it. Now we have this video here. We have downloaded this video. Okay guys, so now we are on YouTube. Just click this plus button here. Now pick the video that we just downloaded. Here it is. So from here, just click on next. Now we're here on this page. The first thing you need to do is adding commentary to the video. But first of all, guys, let me tell you, if you see a video that has a watermark, do not download it. Don't make use of it. I am using this one for the sake of this video. So let's just put on commentary on the video. So guys, we're not using anything too serious or even plenty text that will cover the video and prevent people from seeing it properly. So let's just use few words, something that carries emotion or something that make people want to watch the video. So we're just going to go for something simple. Let's say, is this even possible? Then just use an emoji of surprise. There's something I need to show you. Let me just go straight to it. When you finish putting your text, then just hold on to the text like this. You see, hold on to it, click on timing. The reason is this. Let me show you. The reason why you're doing this is because you don't want this text to overlay on the video from beginning to the end of it. So you're placing it in one place because this is what we're going to be using as our thumbnail. Then add filter just to alter the video itself. Don't overthink it, just pick anyone that fits best for you. And after you're done doing that, then click next. So there are two things you do here. You either add a voiceover or you add sound. Click on the mic and then you add your voiceover. But for the sake of say you want your channel to be seen, and because you're a beginner, what you need is trending sound and not your own voice. So just pick anyone that has more numbers. In this case, we pick the very first one. Just click on this button here. We're going to adjust the volume of it. Hover over it and then adjust it. When you're done, click next. We want to add a title and few other things that are included with it. Don't overthink it. Just add anything that you know will be good, that will make people want to click on the video also. You can add anything like, is this even possible? The same thing that we use on the caption. So after you added that, then add your hashtag. Make sure you do not stuff your video with too many hashtags. Here we're going to be using of just 2 hashtags. And because it is short, and then we're going to be using 2 hashtags that to make your video to be seen. We use hashtag short, and then we also use hashtag trending. Go to your audience and say, no, it's not meant for kids. And then when you want to add a video, if you see something pop up like this, it means your channel has not been verified. I added a link to a video on the description. Check it. It is a short video that will tell you how to verify your YouTube channel. Go ahead and verify your YouTube channel if you have not done that. And if you have done that, you'll be able to pick a video when you click on related videos. We are done with that. When YouTube asks if it is an altered content, make sure you say yes, because it is an altered content. First, it is not yours, plus we added few things to it. So click yes. And then we are done with that for now. We are leaving the video on unlisted for a reason that we will come back to later. So just click on upload short. Guys, while the video is uploading, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. Also, like this video so that more people will see it. Now that the video is done uploading, click on these 3 dots here and click on edit. So, reason we are back here are for 2 reasons. The first reason I'm going to show you here is you click on that pencil icon, and then we'll come back here. We want to pick the thumbnail. We have picked a thumbnail that we want people to see. We will also go to the visibility. That's the second reason why we're here again. And then now, first of all, a lot of people will tell you, say, schedule your video for 1 or 2 days or things like that. Guys, I'm telling you, one of my first video on the channel that I just showed you that got about 15,000 views within a space of 3 days. I didn't have to schedule. In fact, I have never scheduled any of that. If you're uploading a long form video, it is good for you to schedule your video. But I'm telling you, it has nothing to do with the algorithm. For the sake of those who believe that scheduling your video really has something to do with how YouTube pushes your video, then you're done. Click save. That's it. That's it, guys. Make sure you do this for like 5 times every day. When you do this and then you get your 50 subscribers, if you're someone like me who like to grow the right way, if you get your 50 subscribers, or you want to wait to even get even more than 50 subscribers, good for you. But by the time you get your 50 subscribers or even 100, or if you want, you can wait until you get 1,000 subscribers. But make sure that you delete all these videos. First of all, remember they're not your video. Secondly, if you want to build a brand, you're not just doing anything like reused content, you want to build a brand, it is good for you to delete those videos. So I recently come across this where they spoke about how to get 4,000 watch hour. I haven't tried it myself. If you want us to try it, if you want us to experiment on this, in the comment section, say make the video. Then I'll put out the video for you guys. You remember, I'm just here for you, basically for you. Make sure you subscribe and put on your notification. For those of you who doesn't know me, I'm Nkechi, and I help beginners kickstart their YouTube channel from scratch. I'm also here to encourage you and tell you all the mistakes that I have made while starting out on YouTube that has stunted my channel from growing. You sure do not want to do that. So make sure every video that I post on this channel, make sure you do not overlook any one of them, and make sure you watch them to the end, because whatever it is that I'm sharing here, I'm sharing it based on my personal first-hand experience. So, guys, that is it. I'll see you again in our next video. Bye.